Umabo Production.
Sangonan, Molweni Namsheni Kamalamu Mandla Philika Msheno. This is One Life, a breakfast show. This is a breakfast show that we bring to you every Monday. You may have visited 7 o'clock ekseni. Even today it has been one of those days lamina nawe. Sinomana khona emoyeni okwembila ithutha ziholwa ngemhlophe phambili. Kanti ke ngizothi ngikuthathe ngikubeke ohlelweni lethu namhlanje ukubalimi kanjani. Njengoba umbona umnumzana Zodetse sengaphakathi. We've got hard politics la sobe sihluba khona uDlubu ekhasini mayelana nezepolitiki lithanda ukuhluka ke namhlanje uhlelo lethu ngoba emveni kwalapho sizoba neguest yethu. So singasho sithi hlala unethezeke ulindele okuhle nokumnandi kodwa ngoba the person that we're going to have today at our studio ozobehleli kule city ka ekhlela umnumzana Zodetse kuye. He's no stranger to our studios. He's an actor, he's a director, he's a producer. Hey, kunenga kwaziyo lo muntu, so you can sit tight ubone ukuthi kuzokwenzekani namhlanje. Mnumzana, uyaphela?
Siyaphela namhlanje mfowethu, uyaphela ke?
Ya, elinye ilanga elibandayo kodwa ungafani nalamalanga ke andlula evikini eliphelile.
Cha mfowethu, ungakhulumi ngeviki elidlule ngoba sike savelela inhlekelele nje kuyikuthi kusebusika silindele amakhaza kodwa kuneyikhukhula nje.
Kwenze njani yini lento esikhona manje ukuthi kushintshe ukwenza esasikujwayele kangaka?
Cha mshelo phela mfowethu, angeke sazi kodwa ke abaziyo bazothinta labo global warming bakhona ukuthi hey nina ozonleya niyabaphazamisa. Into ekanjalo ke amaphethini emshengo ayashintsha. Okuyikuthi mhlawumbe we need to revisit maybe even wona amasizini swashintsha ngoba phela uzobona ukuthi besithi nje la baya August sithi hayi ngangcwaba kodwa ukuthi kusencwaba ngayo ulokhunju August hayi akusenjalo mfowethu, mhlawumbe we need to revisit maybe siyintsha sikhona ngiyayibona intsha mfowethu studio sakho hayi uphethe intsha hayi usuku lwenjani igcwele mhlawumbe nayo inomsebenzi ukuthi hayi phela lokhu ukuthi kwakungcwaba kwavela nabantu abadala but we are not living in the past, we are living in the present but we are heading into the future. I think ukuthi akungashintshi nje cast the story asishintshi.
No mnumzana, asingene ohlelweni lethu babingelela abalaleli bakho. Ngiyazi ukuthi la behleli khona balindele ukuthi bezwe lelozwi, bezwe nalawo mazwi babingelela.
Ngithi nje umabo radio listeners, umabo viewers, greetings. UZebulon Zodetse, the resident political analyst, the political commentator. We are right here on a One Life breakfast show, but as we're about to take off, sit still, buckle up.
Sit still and buckle up ke ngoba kuningi okusazothi kwenzeke kulesikhathi esincanyana nje sizothi sikuphe njengenjwayelo ihloko zethu sizokhulumela phezukwazo zimbili njengokujwayelekile. Mnumzane, lapha ngiphethe yona lento esesike sayithi fahla okuJune 16 okuyilanga lapho kwabonakala khona abafundi ba 1976 bema ngeenyawo belwisana no government owawusiphethe ngaleso sikhathi ababekholelwa ukuthi awangasiphethe nesandla esihle balwisana nawo. Mhlawumbe yinto esizothi siyithinte ku number 2 ebese sithinta lapha ukuthi GNU has turned one.
Mhlawumbe ngathi nje ihlala esikhonkosini uthinte indaba kaJune 16 uJune 16 namhlanje. Now mfowethu uJune 16 mhlawumbe anduba singene kokwenzeka ngayo uJune 16. There was a build up. There was a build up ukuya kuJune 16. But mhlawumbe ake sithi nje kamuva lapha u1948 uzokhumbula ukuthi kwangena uhulumeni wobandlululo apartheid. Kodwa ke mfowethu around ama 50s mhlawumbe kakhulukazi ukungena kwabantu abafana nabo Fervoet uHendrik lapha yasiyabathola abantu abafana noHendrik kuyikuthi amabhunu akhathazekile ukuthi lesi simo how are we going to handle isimo kakhulukazi sabantu abamnyama ngoba we've seen imithetho eminingi okuyikuthi i-perpetrator i-separate development. Now siyamuzwa umnumzana uFervoet ngoba sizokhumbula uhlelo lwemfundo lwalukhona ngaleso sikhathi kwakuyi i-royal ababethi royal education leyo mfundo kakhulukazi yayilethwa ama-missionary. Now leyo mfundo yayithe ukuba nomnotho phakathi leyo mfundo but uFervoet ubonakale kuumuntu okhathazekile ngoba ephethe umnyango we-native affairs lapha ya include even education. Now uFervoet mayekhathazekile amabhunu uthi no, I've got a solution, ningakhathazeki. Laba bantu abamnyama indlela yokudila nabo kwi-education. Around 1954 ukhipha lesi statement uFervoet is the minister. Around 1958 uFervoet uya ascenda uba yi-prime minister. Then you will remember ukuthi by those times we were not yet a republic. Now uFervoet uyaqala implementa le bantu education. But along the process we are escalate to Fervoet. Uma ngabe efaka le bantu education okuyikuthi umnotho wayo usufilfekile mshengu ngoba imibuzo kuzoba ukuthi uma ngabe ufundisa umuntu omnyama iscience umfundisa imaths uzobuthi wenzela ukuthini? Impendulo ithi aza nayo Fervoet umuntu omnyama umuntu ukuthi umfundise ukuthi ezwe mawumthuma. Awuthi gijima lapha akuzwe lokho ukuthi umthume ukuthini. Leyo nto nje yokuthi umfundise yona imaths nescience akusiyakhe. But ke mshengu fast forward 1966 siyayikhumbula insizwa lapha ya uDimitru Tsafendas. Aye amhlaba ngumisi. Wafa kwi-platform Fervoet. Amhlaba yamgwaza wafa. Kodwa ke kusho ukuthi lokho mhlawumbe uzothi mshengu ufa kaFervoet ufa ne-idea yakhe. Banganjalo. Because this idea was not just about an individual. It was about the system, the whole establishment. Okuyikuthi bayibangena abantu abafana no Foster. Now umzabalazo around the 1960s. Remember ukuthi 1960 lapha ya sizoyikhumbula eSharpeville. Ayabhena ama organization afana nabo ANC, ayabhena ama organization abafana no PAC. Umzabalazo uyathula. Umzabalazo uze uzovunduka nini mshengu around abo 1968. Kakhulukazi emavasithi afana nabo Tafelkop, emavasithi afana nabo Fort Hare. La sibona khona the emergence of a black consciousness movement, EBCM, abantu abafana nabo Steve Biko. Ibona abantu abaresuscitate umzabalazo. Ngoba besikuthule. Lo mzabalazo uhambisana ke nani mshengu. Amabhunu ramp up i-program yabo ye-education ukuthi lento ayingene ebantwini abamnyama. Bayaqala manje sekuba ukuthi around abo 1972-73 i-program yabo iyavuthwa. Sekufanele just bayitest lapho ukuthi mhlawumbe izosebenza yini la. Ngabo 73 bayayitesta lento bathi hayi man. Ingathi ama-subject mane sekufuneka afundwe ngani ngesibhono.
ila qala khona inkathazo mnumzane la size sibona khona abantu bebeka phansi incwadi abantwana besikole bethi ayikhona unonzima lolimo alifundeki
bazothi ke Mshengu ulimi lona as such alukho nzima inkinga ukuthi li representa umcindezeli akusibunzima nje bolimi yeah kahle kahle the idea behind ulimi olusebenzisayo ukuthi yini le oluyidrivayo iyona nkinga yayikhona ngoba hayi ukukhuluma la elokushini besikhuluma isibhunu Mshengu laba bantu baphuma lapha ya go Sophia Town bekhuluma isibhunu laba bantu akusinkinga into yesibhunu ukusikhuluma inkinga indaba yokuthi yini erepresentwa ilolulilo
okay
ukulwa kwabafundi of that period they were not fighting the language as such but what is it that was driven by this particular language 73 yangena le language bayayitesta 74 this is 20 years after uFervoet ekhulumile from 54
yeah
now kuyaqala ke manje akithi lento ibisa pilot maqala ukuthi ezikoleni ezithile bethi no kunento esinika inkinga la isinika inkinga le language le
yeah
ngoba manje alright siyayikhuluma kodwa uyifunda ingathi imfundo efundwa ngayo inocindezelo phakathi now 75 Mshengu iyangena iBCM manje kuya organize uzokhumbula abo BCM baxoshwa abantu abaningi akade kuyizi student ema university ababeza aligna nabo BCM those are the teachers ezavunduka zazofundisa bathe mabexoshwe ezikoleni beza bazongena ezikoleni bafundisa now these teachers beza bathi sizonifundisa ama syllabus ayi2 sizonifundisa isyllabus yokuthi makuphela unyaka niphasi
yeah
sinifundisa isyllabus yokuthi nikwazi ukubhekana nomhlaba
okay
ayingekho mnandi ke leyo yokuthi la ezikoleni ngathi sekuyindawo lapho organizewa khona imzabalazo I'm sure fast forward isizwile ne8 nje just a build up to 2016 enaledi la inaledi eyayigadwa esi Wild West
yeah
lapha ya even yamaphoyisa yakhe tu nge8 June la wiso yaqala la
madoda
lefikile amaphoyisa yaketulwa yashiswa leyo veni but fast forward 8 days later Isaacson iyasuka indaba kubhekwe eOrlando kuyo nikezwa na ngememorandum ufika ngawo lapho amabhono ashaya abafundi but what is important ngalento akusuJune 16 nje sekuwukuthi now uJune 16 ingabe uright na ngoba ubizwa ngeYouth Day ngoba now sizogijima ngokusheshsha sithi ke alright let us take the generation of the 70s okuyikuthi babe youth ngalezo ikhathi but don't remember Mshengu don't forget to remember ukuthi akusiyo just abafundi Mshengu is very difficult ukuthi abafundi babe ngasusa leyanto lapha abantu ababengemva kwalento uthisha nomphakathi Mshengu wawukhona emva kwalento uyiphusha lento mawuyiphusha Mshengu njengamanje the youth generation of the 70s njengamanje zingabantu abadala
yeah
now Mshengu sibhekane nami ke njengamanje sibhekane neyouth ukuthi iyouth ke yamanje ukhona yini into eyibolekile ukhona yini ikhasi iyaliboleka lapha kule yancwadi yama 70s. Ngabe iyouth yanamhlanje inkinga ebhekene nazo mhlawumbe iyakwazi yini ukuthi irise to the occasion ize nama solutions abhekene na lezo inkinga ababhekane nazo. Shemu sikhuluma ngeunemployment okuyikuthi nationally unemployment siyayibona ukuthi ku 32.9%, but if we regard the youth unemployment ebhekane ne-youth imbi kakhulu mshini. Imbi unemployment ebhekane ne-youth ngoba i-youth iyahamba ezikoleni. Hayi mshini akusikho ukuthi asina youth, sine youth efundile la kakhulu. Funde kakhulu mshini. Now uma ngabe i-system kufanele i-absorbe i-youth ifike ibhekane nokuthi you've got the qualifications, siyavuma. I-experience iphi. I-youth ibhekana naleyo nkinga yakhe. Hayi hamba mshenge uye la emakhoneni. Uzababona udinswalo lo okuyikuthi umengameli wayekhuluma ngomunye udinswalo lo. Thina sibabonayo la emakhoneni. Mawubalalela ubanika indlebe uyezwa ukuthi laba bantu bafundile laba bantu. Kodwa mhlawumbe yini eyenza ukuthi bahluleke ukuthi isystem iba absorb. Isystem ibonakala ibeka imigoqonyana nama requirements anzima. Mshengu ugovernment by its nature akaqasha ugovernment. Government akana space sokuqasha. If ever uyaqasha ugovernment akaqashi ngendlela yokuthi uqasha kwakhe kuzokwenza i-economy ikhule. Now it's a question of whether the growth and ukukhula kwe-economy. Ukukhula kwe-economy mshengu mangabe ikhula kufanele yenzeni ikwazi ukuqasha abantu iba absorb. But now abantu kufanele baqashwe kuqala ukuze bakhulise i-economy, or i-economy kufanele ikhule ukuze kuqashwe abantu. Now is a question of a chicken and an egg ke. Ukuthi kuqala ikuphi oqalayo. I-government i-provide ama-service. But there is no way ukuthi you can industrialize ngo-government. Amaphoyisa nje mawungangitshela ukuthi iphoyisa makuthiwa liyasebenza kwi-fiscal selifaka malini iphoyisa, noma iphoyisa kwi-fiscal seliyadonsa kuphela, isotsha liyadonsa kuphela kwi-fiscal. Those are the things eziprovidwa u-government. Silindele ukuthi private sector government enzeni create an environment conducive for i-private sector ukuthi ikwazi uku-invest. Now siyibona sibhekene nenkinga ke i-private sector ithi into eniyenzayo nenza imithetho very rigid. Okuyikuthi bheka nje uma ngabe ningayi-relax le mithetho phela thina as a private sector ngithi sinaso ispace sokuthi hayi singasuka siye eButswana lapha ya so operate khona. Singaye eLesotho uma ngabe kuyayeka nanoma maphina la singaya khona. Government ispace sakho usicreateayo si-questionable in terms of ukuthi sis-accommodate. Hayi akithi nangu Elon Musk uthi nemithetho eniphasisayo inzima. Akithi nayo imithetho lapha ilokhunje i-PEE wena mshini okuyikuthi require ukuthi uma ngabe uyangena uyicompany yangaphandle ucomply nabo PEE lapho 30% wakho uthi kuhle mhlawumbe kowalapha ekhaya owaye marginalized. uTrump akakuzwa lokho ukuthi yini yona leyo nto leyo. Hayi ukhona lo obeyimeya ye-DA ubhalile, ngimbonile bhala kwenye article naye uBring Celia lo kade lapha eTshwane. ufleka izinto eziningi okuyikuthi njengamanje Mshemo mhlambe lokhu sizokuthinta kakhulu lapha yamasithi iGNU 10-1
yeah
uthinta indaba echallenger into eziningi ukuyikuthi ugovernment uzama ukwenza transformation ukubalansa iscale now abo Employment Equity Amendment Act EDA iyabahlaba but okay uBrink ubebhala in his own personal capacity but that is a view okuyukuthi mawuya one by one ebantwini beDA it's a view nabo abayiphethe ukuthi no lezi zinto ayilungile now when shame ikuphi ke iyouth uma ngabe uDA sizokhumbula ukuthi ibona abaningi lapha kwiDA abantu abaonayo amakhampani
yeah
manje labo bantu bazoyiqasha iyouth na ibonakala iyouth yethu mfowethu ibhekane nengwadla ibhekane nengwadla Mshemo okuyikuthi asazi ngoba siyabona thina ingathi we are riding west ingathi hayi sekuseduze entshonalanga kithi ukuthi iyouth makufanele ithathe ngoba isikhathi seyouth Mshemo abantu abakwazi ukuthi ba project izinto ngiyaye ngithi ngiyamesaba umuntu o projector beyond isikhathi angasiphila njengoba ngina 70 nje ngiproject into ngithi ezokwenzeka until 2025 okuyikuthi mancane ama chance okuyikuthi ngifike ku2025
yeah
whether mhlambe iartificial intelligence ngaleso sikhathi bangiprojecta ngifika lapho angazi ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi iartificial intelligence iyobe says entrenche yafikaphi so now iyouth umuntu olapha ku30 yaku40 my project kanjalo project into ya 30 years ya 40 years uzobe sasekhona lo muntu esivuthiwe makufanele ingene lento so now this is a challenge not just we youth kodwa sibonakala sibadala sime endleleni yeyouth Mshemo ukuthi iyouth asithathe iyouth ingene kuphi eindaweni ezistrategic okuyikuthi thina sesilungiselela ukuphuma I once flagged this ukuthi kunenkinga ke Africa eyenza ukuthi abaholi ubathole sebengasafuni ukuphuma okuyikuthi ngoba bengafuni ukuphuma ehlalweni beshintsha nemithetho nama constitution ukuthi aba accommodate ukuthi baqhubeke baye phambili yenzani sebedla isikhathini seyouth okuyikuthi iyouth izothi ithi yangena ngoba is obvious mawufuna ukungena wena ungaphumi kusho ukuthi uyophuma uyokhishwa yithu now mhlawumbe this is about time Mshemo ukuthi sizame ukuthi sibadala sincedane neyouth ukuthi kahle kahle iyouth for tomorrow engcono ube ukuthi leyo youth iyobe khona driver this project.
We are Umabo Production bringing you Umabo Radio ne One Life Breakfast Show. Umandla Phirika Mshengo umnumzana Zeplo Mtsothetsi usihle ngubane urendane Mdawu silapha e-studio namhlanje ukuthulela i-One Life Breakfast Show kanti esicelayo nesibuncayo while you still sitting and watching there ukuthi ulike ucomment usubscribe ushare tell your friends to tell their friends ukuthi Umabo Production usukhona usakaza nge-YouTube mhlawumbe sesiligoqa ke nje lo daba sihlusha umnumzane ukuthi isikhathi lesi sisifunde emaphepheni kube besingasifunde emaphepheni kuningi besingadinga idalo kulolu daba kodwa ngenxa yokuthi fanele sindlulele kwezinye inhlelo isithinte ezinye izinto hayi asiligoqe lo daba bese singena kulolu lesibili ejeni
akaseligoqe nje Mshemo ukuthi mhlawumbe iGNU le esizongena kuyo mhlawumbe kuyothi amakhanda amaningi mhlawumbe Mshemo anokuza nezinto mhlawumbe ezithi ukuhlukahlukana mhlawumbe zikwazi ukuba neimpact esimeni okubhekane na iGNU mhlawumbe ANC has been esihlalweni for 30 years ayikhonanga ukuthi mhlawumbe iaddress inkinga okuyikuthi instead inkinga siyibona zi-escalate ithathe enye level unemployment more especially youth mshini itholakala ikhula kuyikuthi ibilapha uthuthi iku20 ayizwe sekuthiwa hayi istates isithi hayi isilapha ku30 hayi isiku40 isilapha ku50 then uyabona ukuthi isimo just instead of ukuthi umshingo sibe ngcono ingathi siyadlebeleka mfowethu kodwa ke ake sithi nayi leJNU maybe that is a new chapter evulekayo okuyikuthi iso mhlawumbe in terms of approach yokusolve izinto ayizofana
no asindlulele phambili mzala GNU
kuzwile mshweni ukhuluma ngoGNU okuyikuthi uqeda unyaka mhlawumbe in terms of izinto engathi masizama ubheka leGNU mhlawumbe ama successes la kuyikuthi iyafaila khona mshemo ake ngiqale mhlawumbe ngama success mshemo in terms mhlawumbe of ama success mshemo ake ngithi nje mhlawumbe i-corruption sekunzima ukuthi yenzeke mfowethu sekunzima ngoba sisesodwa siukhongolo siphela hayi angithi besazana besiyisikini sisuke lithuli sonke ngobrai noma ngakuthola isandla sakho sikukhukija lapha hayi ngiyabheka nje ngithi hayi uyazi sihlanganaphi hayi akunenda kodwa yabona isandla sakho masizotholakala sibhekwe umuntu ongazi ukuthi mayiphuma la uyapi kunenkinga mshini kunenkinga so i-corruption isifo nje msheni okuyikuthi ulwa naso every day kodwa ke nje mhlawumbe siyajabula uma ngabe sibona kuyikuthi at least siyadropa noma 1% phela kulungile 2% inyana nini kodwa nje i-trend kube ukuthi iyaphansi so siyabona kunzima lapha ya ukuthi i-corruption iqhubeke kodwa ke mshingo namasokisi ke ngibona amasokisi noba nephakeme amasokisi phela cha uzobona nje ukuthi angithi lapha yamawubheka ama minister okuyikuthi aqhamuka ku DA uyabo mawungaya lapha ya uya mshingo go home affairs leyansizwe lapha ingathi yanyakaza mshingo iyanyakaza ngengathi kuse umtswaleli zibonakala isishimshana impela esebenza ngaze ngasho ngathi hayi umtswaleli uma ngabe isandla sakhe noma igama lakhe lithinteka kwi-corruption belezomchitha uthinta izitshe engalungile
eyiphukayo
now bamshintshile kumtswaleli bamkhipha vele kodwa ngoba akanagcobo olubi kufuneka just umbeke kwenye indawo amthathileke nangu lapha kwa health kodwa ke lensizwa elapha ya kwa home affairs ngiyayibona iyanyakaza mshini cha iyanyakaza kuyenzeka okwenzekayo lapha siyabona mshini bekune backlog ebikhona lapha ya even in terms nje of amapasi nani iye yavela neyinhledlwana okuyikuthi ziyeza river up ukusebenza kwakhona watholakala ukuthi hayi i-backlog badila ngayo bayayiqeda hayi siyayibona ne-education i-basic mshini i-basic education siyabona kuyasebenzeka laphaya kodwa mshini akukhona nje ukuthi ama-minister aphuma bevela ku-DA siyababona nabo la kukhongolose amasokisi bayawanyusa angiphela sizothi mase siyokhankasa ikhathi ezizokhankasa ngalo leli so amasokisi kufanele anyuke kuwo wonke umuntu I think that is the upside yalezi zinto ye-GNU mshini kodwa mhlawumbe ake siphuthume ke sithinte masibheka kulelo side ebusheni sibona kuyikuthi laba bantu they are coming from different political persuasions ama ideology abo awafani then in terms of the approach ivele bahlukene sizobona lokho mshengu nguflegile lokho ukuthi whatever ugovernment athi uza nakho kuyanyathelwana lapha yangengathi ugovernment ulungile mangabe bayaphikisana haya bavalelane la bevalelana khona bakhumule amabhantshi barole up ama sleeve amahemba abo mangabe bayashayana kulungile kodwa mabephuma lapha indaba yokuthi kade beshayana thina asinandaba naye asifuni sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi nithi kwenze njani niphuma nani bona lapho kuleyo nto yini ivele besingazi thina hayi thina vele besingazi ukuthi manixoxa kanjani mhlawumbe nixoxa ngakho kushayana thina sifuna nje into leni ithi nizoyi-implementa ukuthi iphi lokho okwini kodwa siyabona ke mshemo sibona kuputsha indaba lapha kuthiwa hayi umshemo lapha kwicabinet masixoxa hayi ubephikisana nosibani ethi manje nje ngoba sihamba usibona nje sithi siyothebula imali hayi usibani nosibani bebiphikisana umshemo asidingi lokho asidingi uma ngabe kuzoqhubeka mshemo usibeke encupheni yokuthi hayi ingathi i-lifespan ye-GNU angikholwa ukuthi 5 years ungaphela kuyikuthi ikule form ekuyo hayi phela izohamba ishintshwa endleleni iyohamba ishintsheke endleleni kodwa ishintsheka ngakho ukuthi kuyaphikiswana angithi ijozi like labonakala liphakamela bona laba abaphikisa ukuthi wena kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ugovernment uphikisane nepolice okuyikuthi ngelinye ilanga uzotholakala kufanele uyi-implement uyiphikiselana kusho ukuthi phuma ukuthi ke mshimo uyakwazi ukukhiphela lo muntu lapha because i-GNU mshimo uyazi ukuthi inadvertently i-challenge even the prerogative ye-president kanjani mshimo akithi upresident mayishintsha icabinet ulishintsha yena ngokuthanda kwakhe ukuthi wenzeni ukuthi angiyangahamba ngayithuli ngakhulukhuluma nabo lokho asinendaba nakho
ngoba kwenza ukuba umsholozo ufike kuseme ishintshe
now that is the prerogative ye-president constitutional ukuthi mayifuna ukurishafula icabinet lakho uyalirishafula msho njengamanje ngeke akwenze lokho akwenzeki practically lento ye prerogative isele kwi-constitution kuphela practically let's say ufuna ukushintsha uminister ukwahube lapha awukwazi ukumshintsha ungayithintanga i-DA fanele uthinta i-DA uthi DA lo muntu wenu angisamzwisisi ngicela nizoreplace umuntu engizoreplace ngaye ngoba abantu be-DA lapha leya number leya is pair ama results abo ukuthi le number i-infonywa ama results abo so ngeke ukhiphe umuntu we-DA ufake we-ANC lapha now that is the prerogative okuyikuthi i-challenge-ekile now ke mshemo lezo zinto lezo mshemo mayishintsha zenza izinto ezinjalo zenza ukuthi even ne-constitution kusho ukuthi yofuneka ukuthi ithukuvakashelwa mhlawumbe ababeyibhala hayi yena umongameli uMatamela uye wayeyibhala noRuth Meyer babekhona bosophondeni they've never foreseen lento ukuthi lelinye ilanga izobuya makuthiwa the chickens are coming home to roost hayi basuke bekhuluma yona lento wayikhanda lento ngalesi sikhathi ungayiboni ukuthi mhlawumbe ngelinye ilanga kuyothi kuwuwo phethe iqondane nawe ukuthi lento owayiphasisa ngo-96 awubheke ukuthi injani mfana singayikhuluma mfowethu lize lishoni la.
Yeah.
Kodwa nje let's live and hope ukuthi for the betterment of izwe lethu ayisebenzi jini.
Yeah.
uAmilcar Cabral uthi ngelinye ilanga abantu abanendaba nezinto ezisemakhanda abantu ama ideas asekhanda lakho hayi awangenzeli lutho mina. Into engisebenzelayo uma ngabe ngibona izinto zenzeka phansi lapha zenza impilo zethu zibe ngcono, zenza impilo zabantwana bethu zibe ngcono.
We are Umabo Production on all our social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Twitter lo swashinja waba X na Facebook na TikTok uzosithola ngomabo Production. Siyacela like silandele sifollow to get more information about izinto zethu. Mhlambe nomzana wami sesifinyelela lapho ukuthi siyangigoqa uma ungabe khona amagama okugcina mengabe ngasekho sivele sibavalelise sizodlulela phambili.
Mshweni kwi-international front sibonile i-Israel ya intensifier iyashaya i-Iran.
Yeah.
Then the question ozoyibuza ukuthi Israel incane kangaka ayisabi yini ukuhlasela amazwe ayisurroundile. Ushaye wena Iran, ushaye wena Yemen, ushaye wena Gaza, ushaye wena Lebanon, ushaye wena Syria. Uwathatha apha amandla ngayo. Now mshengu asiye ke unfold.
Yeah.
Now amehlo akakumbona. Sizobona.
Ayike mhlawumbe asibavalelise.
Cha ngithi nje kubalaleli bethu nakubabukeli mhlawumbe uma befuna siqhubele indaba ngasese abangithinte nje nombolweni ethi 0733099063 bangithole ku WhatsApp uyo le nombolo futhi babuye bangithole enombolweni ethi 0766938653 ngona ku WhatsApp nakuyo leyo nombolo. Kodwa futhi mhlawumbe bangithole lapha uFacebook abheke nje uze Illuminati, the illuminated one.
The illuminated one. Siyabonga kakhulu sesifike lapho ukuthi siyayigoqa lengosi yethu lapho sithi hard politics sizodlulela phambili siyohlangana neguest yethu bengikuthembise yona ukuthi umuntu mhlawumbe osuke wambona ngobuseke wathinta izinto ezithile zaku media wavela ema-TV, wavela ema-theater. He has done a lot of things as an actor, as a director, as a producer. Nomzane cha asivani la kuwe namhlanje kodwa sizaqhubekela phambili.
Mfowethu siyabonga mfowethu masinedesa awuthi nathi singaphumi ke sizwe ukuthi guest lethu lithini mfowethu.
Yeah.
Sizwele ukuthi hayi.
Yeah.
Lithinta lapha nalapha yanje hayi liyaziwa mfowethu. Siyabonga ukuthi uBrace ilukhunja ishow ngama guest kanjalo mfowethu. Siyabonga kuMapho.
Nakho. Njoba bengeke ngakuthembisa ke ukuthi guest yethu ikhona namhlanje. He's no stranger to you, he's no stranger to our studios because of mhlawumbe usuke wambona into enezithile igama lakhe uzobe sezisho yena njoba siyaye singathanda ukuthi sibasho thina sengimintroduceile ngasho ukuthi is an actor, is a director, is a producer, film and theater wise. Nomzana baba uyaphela
nje.
Hey inkosi yami. No, it's been a while singabonani. Thank you for coming to the show. Most of the people do not honor this opportunity mengabe sibanikeza yona, but when you decided to grab it with both hands, siyabonga kakhulu mfethu.
No, ngiyabonga bafu, ngiyabonga. Kude la sibuya khona mfethu. Kude la sibuya khona.
Bazozwa lo mndewe mhlawumbe usintroduce igama lesibongo mfethu ukuthi bakwazi nanoma ngayephi indlela ofuna bakwazi ngayo abantu. Nase beke bakubona bakukhumbule ngayo.
Yeah, bafethu sanibona. Ubonga lo kwashuke lona angikomkhulu kakhulu ekhuluna nami layawazi lokho. Yeah, ngibonga bafethu ukuthi nginami ngimenyela kule platform le yakho mngani wami. Ngiyazi la isuka khona.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngilate.
Yeah, you very
kakhulu ngoba mina mhlawumbe ngibe live vula. Kodwa bafethu siyazi ukuthi izinto zihamba ngendlela le esingayiplan thina yabona kodwa ngilapha mfethu ngiyajabula mfethu
Ukwazi ukukhuluma but uma sithi siyabuka in terms of your profile uke waba umfundisi abafundisi bayaxoxa you are an actor ngapha ama actors ayaxoxa ungasibalekeli wena siphe nje indaba ukuthi wena ngempela ungasabi ukuthi ume kanjani usichazele indaba zakho
bafu yazona uthinta into eyindala manje into enzima kakhulu well mangithi angikho big kakhulu ekhulumeni right yona bafu Said yonke lento wena from theater sakijima local theater ngikhumbula kahle sasireza lapha eMndeni Junior sigida sishaya ingoma sishaya poetry siyenza yonke lento le ngahamba ngabo umfundisi ke lo omshoyo engingamazi ke mina kodwa along izinto maziloko zazama ngirealize ukuthi kahle mina angikho ngale ngaphambili kwecamera kakhulu ngikhona ngoba ikhona lento yokuactor kimi ikhona le nto yokukhuluma kimi neaudience not necamera bafu ngoba itheater yiyo into eyasakha into yangakha ngathi makuphela itheater sesiqala ke nasengena iTV manje sesazi ukuthi into ekuthiwa i-film production sasingena ngathi mangibona ngingale kwecamera ngibona lensizwa engale emva kwecamera njengoba afuna ngathi no ngibloka ngale movie then ngayishifta yonke le career yami la engangithi ngiyabuild up i-acting ngathi no let me try camera.
Uqale ukungena kwezakaqedisa isizungu usesikolweni high school level mina la ngiqala ukusikhona ngihlangana nawe you were very good actor bekunjani uqala nje umdlalo wakho mawuqala bekunjani bewuzibona ngempela umuntu ogcina efinyelele phambili okanye mhlawumbe uyibona njengomdlalo nje uqedisa isizungu njoba lisho igama lesizulu ukuthi ezingaqedisa isizungu
sithi masters plus kuyicareer esasiakha and ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukhona umuntu ongathi uqala icareer just ukudlala sifake ieffort eningi and some of us sesathatha even lento yethu production sayisa ngaphambili udlula isikole sayisa ngaphambili udlula a lot of things because of angikhumbuli ngiya ku afternoon class but I know no form ngoriyeza on a daily basis there I know you understand so ngithande kakhulu lento from a very young age ngabona ukuthi this is where I'm supposed to be yabona and ngayipusha vele actually sayipusha because I can give credit to a lot of people abe involved ekutheni bang build up ukuthi ngizazi if right ukubiza amagama abantu
babize mfethu so that people will know noma behlangana nabo noma ikuphi bazi ukuthi
the likes of abo Mandla mshini ungaphila ngazi manje yamazi yomjita lo to the point yokuthi at some point isingenanda yokureheza walwa nogogo wathi no siyala igarage eJardini sibamsindo la ekhaya ngesikhathi sokusebenza and you know umfundisile nami a lot of things but mama can say nami umfundisile a lot of things and the likes of abo Babisipo Manzini, you know, where was a lot of encouragement. I remember once his rehearsal set open and he was there and Sasha monologue Maramsi too and he said Nina guys in your wood and from that day I knew good lento le ngakhe wabona sochela umuntu umbone TV phela
so first time
ngiyabona ke lento ngiyayibona ukuthi yaphi and then I realized you know kahle la asiyaphambili la yabusheka
ziningi izinto ezenzekayo la kule industry zisithinte inhliziyo njengoba usushilo ukuthi we've gone a long way but ngaphambi kokuthi singene kuzo mhlawumbe sizwe ukuthi wena ijourney yakho ekuhambeni mhlawumbe ibaphi mhlawumbe abantu babize njengamagama labo abathinta inhliziyo zakho kakhulu ngezinto ezenzeka nangezinto mhlawumbe ababekufundisa zona ngiyazi ukuthi umele a lot of people such as abokhaya the great there are a lot of people that abakuthintile empilweni yakho imuphi nje lo othi yabona this one ayi ngeke ngithiwa ngikhohliwe ngikwazi ukukhohlwa
ayi Mandla mfana uyazi ukuthi uwe mnanami uyazi ukuthi uwe because lento masicala wena awusongaphambili kithi besho thina sasilandela wena and safunda ngafunda a lot of things from wena, and lesikhathi ukufunda futhi say develop a relationship yithi laba sigijima siyovula icompany sisonke lapho sathatha ama baby steps like asikho ukuthi lento siyayazi or siyazi kodwa siyifunda, understand, and uya kwakho phambili to meet abokhaya before mina give you more information in camp wena ubuya futhi uzodeliver la kithi futhi nabanye futhi abazosho ukuthi hayi manje abasiphusha amadoda, and a lot of guys like lokushini like us la abuthi the first time bagibela stage was due to wena, probably nami but due to wena baningi abantu abake bakwenza lokho, so kunzima ukhipha le credit because nayo umphathi wehlelo manje
sengathi praise
yeah, but yeah, sure. Then the likes of about the great Kanyeza luyamjita loyana I want to yeah ngiyafisa ukubona because when it comes to discipline luyamjita taught us how to be disciplined, and ngiyacabanga ukuthi nawe khona into oyithathile kuyengibonayo onayo ukuthi when we said we are doing this thing we are doing it no matter what. We did a lot of things with our great Kanyeza. We did. I remember we had Ilona, Camp in Northwest. That's a shooter. We had about 2 movies in that cast there. I asked him. Besikena ne transport ukuya lapha samba ngestimela, some of us samba ngomangobe siye Northwest.
I even lost my ID ngaleliya.
Yes, sasilala kumkhukhu. One room, I think
so 18.
Yeah, besibani.
Yes.
Abo zits yona wayedlala lapha necklace lesi manje industry put Madlisa the main character lapha yana bosifiso, you know.
I saw him on Lentuzana as well. I think I saw him on Scandal not so long.
Oh, nice. This the easy TV are giving us this guy because of Mhlalanga.
Yeah.
So stradini abo sifiso isinabo lapha yana abo Kethiwe abantu engisafisa ukuthi ngiriwa na ithena abo lapha yana yabo yabona bonke labafana leyo. Lapha I remember sometimes bekunohleka nje ushukela nje because sibaningi budget ukudla ayikho onentonyana ayithengile athi ayithingi zobona nje kusasa ukwenza nje manje buya iseve lento leyo besingayi misunderstand ukuthi sizama ukuthi survive nisonke la, and what I'm saying is ukuthi le energy yokuthi ikhona into or ayikho but yeah siyayenza yabona.
Touching indaba yase Northwest Bongani, a lot of sacrifice happened there. It seems as manje ama-artists manje they are complaining about a lot of things Tina that we are not complaining about. Mhlawumbe abaqhubekeli phambili ngokuya phambili because of they lost in the spirit esasinaso. What can you say to someone mhlawumbe omusha that is sitting down watching this show, mhlawumbe nayo thi nami ngiyafuna ukuthi ngibe se theater, nami ngiyafuna ukuthi ngibe phambi kwama cameras and do about sacrifice uthina, about compromise, about zonke izinto nje ezibuyisa ezenza le picture yase Northwest siyoshuta ilentuzana amafilimu awu2 in 3 weeks sawashuta sawaqeda futhi uthini kumuntu onjalo mhlambe some of the abantu banama budget manje thina we had no budget.
Yeah wena ijourney yakho wena as a person othi unofuna uba artist,
yeah
ngikhuluma ngomuntu ongakabi artist manje wayenzi next umuntu uthi ngisafuna ukungena kulo yamgodi lo ya nami ngisafuna ukuya lestimela, nami ngifuna ukuba lapha stage, nami ngifuna ukuba lapha kulela film, or nami ngifuna uproducer le yanto leya, nami ngifuna director le yanto leya. Ijourney yakho we want legend number one.
sure.
We don't have structures in South Africa that comes and say no, it's a 6 season V2 uthenge le microphone. There's nothing like that. There's no much of funding in our industry as a whole. Whether be is music, filming, we fight for funding. Fight for funding. So in our time, even now better because the kind of channel now where you can tinta and try to find funding. When we started, there was nothing like that. And I think the only thing is ukuthi kube mnandi siwazi ukuqhubeka ngale siyenza was affected ukuthi lento recently izwenzayithanda. We were like demon possessed. Ngale nto le. Yawona masekuthiwe kusasa siyoshoota or kusasa siyo perform somewhere. Akulaleki nasebusuku like ufika yawona umpelo oncane bayi trip nisasa.
Yeah.
Akakhona ukulala like uvuka ngo2 mama ibhasi uready. That was us. We had lento besithanda beyond imali because we did a show which paid and we were never paid by our directors. We didn't even see that because besifuna le yanto leya esifunayo besiyithanda. So first thing ngizoyisho mfethu ithande lento And this goes to anything wenza empilweni yakho. Ayikho into ezoyenza ube successful if awuyithandi leyo nto. Ithande qala. Then once wayithanda uzoyithola isizulu lesakini lesi bathi ugqozo ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uyenze lento lena ingakakunikezi imali yabona. Then uzothi ke mase ubona ukuthi lento le sengiyayazi because firstly you need to understand mili begazini lakho qala. I-art it's more like a religion, that's how I see it for me. Yabona i-art entertainment,
sure,
it's entertainment for umuntu ubukele, it's religion for umuntu oyenza. Yabona lokubukele you entertained by the time it's a stage nokuthi wena wenzani you enjoy angiboni lutho mina. I mean another ngomunye umhlaba wambiwa. So if awukafiki lo mhlaba lo ukuthi lento la man ngiyayithanda, angeke uzokwazi ukusustain lama injuries ozowathola along the way because there's a lot of injuries. You'll be betrayed, number one, a lot of times. And sometimes you're even betrayal is because of people change directions along the way. And sometimes we walk on abantu and now they have to change direction, then you feel with back betrayal. No, that's their own journey. It's your journey alone.
It's your journey.
And nobody can partner something too. But in the name
uhambo lwakho
khona uzobona another direction that ingisebenzela and when you saw here. So you feel like you're betrayed. No, you're not betrayed. It's just another face when you try and build. So uzoba hate uzolimala uzoshaya. You know, 2017. I mean, I want to say just this, 2017 I met this other guy in Busy Kamalaki. So we did a movie. I think that was the last professional movie I did. In that movie I was playing a role, a producer, actually being organizer the whole set, the whole thing. The only thing he had to do was to pour Mali. Basically, I push it at all my actors because it was a Ndebele type of show. So I'm doing Ndebele again. So we drove to Ndebele, we did auditions together, and we got Ndebele. He's a person who was about who's in the industry as well. Yeah. So he got my actors Ofuna, we got good people, right? We did the thing. Behind the scene, I was operating a camera. I was operating the first camera, like three cameras there. I was the one always a show which everyone is on set.
Yeah.
I was the one who had to gather a team, a production, I did the whole pre-production, I did it. Understand? And then it was a nice thing. We had like equipment worth again easy man, but it was when I know it was if you get on Facebook, when you scroll, you see basically that movie now we go YouTube. I was supposed to play on Thursday, which channel it didn't happen because of the conflict. The movie perfect, but the conflict in terms of family rights and everything, moving aside, you know. So I felt betrayed at because of it. As long as one niggas way production because of financial reasons, you understand? But mangu afuthi emuva ngirealize ukuthi ngingathatha inyawo zami zoyithunga ifaka entweni engeyona because you know I was supposed to be employed lapha but I ended up being you understand? So there are things as I'm zingilimaza cool food, you know. I bled out when that thing happened and angazi noma sekuhambela ngaphambili. That's where I actually said, you know what, team production. I can't imagine production. How did today fit?
No, umthatha exactly vele lapho ngithi ngifuna ukuya khona ukuthi ngibuze ukuthi when was your last production la ugcine khona and what was the reasons? Usungishaye ngexelo lonke kodwa akuseni indaba asiqhubekele phambili. Mhlawumbe kulesikhathi osusimile when are you planning ukuthi mhlawumbe is there a time la ufika khona ukuthi ayi sengifinyelele esinqumeni sokuthi sengaphindela kwi production and if I want to go back, this is what I'm going to fix, because obviously you've had your lessons or afunde behind Ama Productions. You've been into Ama Productions amaningi. Most of the people do not know ukuthi I even made you skip umetric siyo shooter yona le movies called Mangai. The trust umama wakhe was having him wakwazi ukudedela uma ngicela ngithi cha uzobuya esikolweni nakanjani ngifuna nje siyoyenza lento and finish with. So lessons owafundile lapho mhlawumbe ubuyela nini what is it that you're going to fix on your next?
I've been getting my calls. Ufani, one of the guys that we worked with.
Shout out Fanny, he's texting us every day trying to find out about the progress of the show. He's one of the people abayilandelayo.
Yes. Yes. Ufani ulukang for yena ukuthi perform. Come on. Sam's yourself.
Yeah.
Nayi uyeza la showing.
Yeah.
He wants to come. I think besikhuluma ngayo njengoba ngithi yeza, there's just things akabhizi ngazo, but uzoba makala nami uzobe khona again futhi silaso yithu.
Yeah.
So now uyamfonela and say to me, "Bra, asebenze."
Yeah.
Now my show wakhona science. And not only Ufani, now you look young Shabaloza ngalo. Baningi abantu esisipale nabo babuyele ngolo but ndoda Sam's yourself. I-answer yami ithi anchorate. Yeah, anchorate. Production or entertainment industry seyishintshe kakhulu manje from lesikhathi lesiyana esayithala ngaso. Yabona evolution yakhona yenzeke kakhulu. That is why it's anchorate. Behind the scenes mangihleli ngiwani ngiya research ngiyafunda ngiyabona ukuthi yini esingakayitholi lezi zinto ezinje, like we've got the IT ilona in bathini this new intelligence le artificial, yeah, which is also idlala role enkulu manje to what into besiyenza sinecaleni and how things are being done right now. So I feel ukuthi for me ukuthi ngithi yebo ngizoqala ngini, I just need to get myself used to yonke lento eyenzeka manje in production and understand ukuthi production we level at this point. And secondly, I'm trying to secure my funds. You know why ngisho kanje wena Bhuti? When we go back, when we do umsebenzi, I want us to do umsebenzi proper. You know, sure. Umsebenzi proper. We sesibadala futhi. Sibantwana abayimini. Asiza lesikhathi sokuthi ngizoshootela just ukuthi bazothi hayi ngiyamazi yashoot. Yeah. Ngiyayithanda. Yes ngiyayithanda, but kumele masiyenza manje siyenze ke profitable as well. And for me to do that, ukuthi ngibuye with information ephelele, ngishow ukuthi sengiready. So each and every person of an ibongana senze 1 2 3 4. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi unani yabona then mina mafika ufakani siyaphi. As long as ngakahlangani yonke lama elements lawo bekahlangane nginikilanga ne date.
No, ngiyabuzwa ziningi izinto ezasilimaza industry but sizange give up. Giving up is not an option. I mean, we've been betrayed into ushilo by a lot of producers, a lot of productions, from with theater to filming. We did everything nani in terms of drama, music, poetry. I remember in terms of dance you were doing very well nakhona doing izulu dance ulentuzana what is it le dance enaniyenza nayi sengikhohliwe umzansi doing very well kumzansi. I don't want to mention the people asasinabo lapho because of some of them they are the ones abasenzela phansi mhlawumbe. Some of them manje they are down in the grave. Understand that there are a lot of things ezenzekile industry abanye bayithola behlele emakhoneni bebheminya uphe. But one thing I can say to you before nje sivala uhlelo lwethu namhlanje ukuthi giving up is not an option baba. Noma kwenzekani ubuhlungu esibuzwayo kule industry we still standing nathi. Hayi ukuthi sime ngoba kumnandi amaqhawe ababonwa ngalesikhathi kuhle ukuthi uyiqhawe kubonakala ngokuthi umelane nezikhathi ezinzima uzihlule futhi. Losing against lezo zimo ezinzima kuyakukhombisa ukuthi hayi wena you are a weak person because of izinto ziyakuhlula. And giving up entweni eyi-1 will always make you give up in everything.
Yeah, very much true. Yeah, very much true. Bofani
are the people you worked with. Ngifuna nje ukuthi shout out bafethu kubofani bobaba uDalasi, the great Kanye, Peter. There are a lot of producers ukuthi sihlangane nawo. Sasebenza nabosifiso abawu2 ngubane nolentuzana nososiba sinabomthobisi. Shout out to uBabmanzi noSipho who was playing a character of Umjebejebe kulentuzana the Queen.
Yeah.
Most of you guys do not know ukuthi inde lendlela esihambile siqale fires le kusese khona abosokhulweni partners. We've been there. Lot of things, some of you aborendane nje they do not relate kulezo zinto abosokhulweni partners. They don't even know what that is.
I still have iy'thombe zethu sasireheza lapha yana eHillbrow Theatre sidla amazimba abomvu.
Yeah. Abasafuna orendana ukusebenza manje because what is the budget? Bakhuluma isilungu esikhulu orendana. What is the budget? But they've never been in even one successful production la ukuthi bayasho khona ukuthi hey thina we've worked with a lot of people. The late uLentuzana ubab Sam Phillips, he acted with Generation as Baba Kapalisa lapha. There was no budget. There was no budget. I remember kunama auditions esawenza mngani wami eHillbrow Theatre. They were so big kwakungathi kwenza abantu abakhulu kodwa ke asizama ukunisa imumva bakithi sibonga nje kakhulu amagama okugcina mhlawumbe that you want to share before you leave the studio.
Perfect. Yabona into moyifuna mfethu.
Yeah.
Yenze. Into moyifuna yenze. I think le interview lena mfethu sibe nayo nayo manje it just made me realize ukuthi mhlawumbe yithi esimoshile production.
Yeah.
Thina esingakazange sikhona ukuthi siqhubeke lento siyiphushe. The likes of Orendane they should have been learning from us ukuthi kwenziwa njani. So ngifuna nje ukuthi yenze kanje. Lamajida lawo sesifana nawo kakhulu. Lapho Peter Mokona, Fanny and everyone else bafethu. Asihlangane.
Peter is watching the show every day.
Asihlangane bafethu asi reunite futhi and do one thing. Just nje show one.
Imagine ihlangene nabomthobisi yonke le gang hayi bafethu akuvele wangithatha ngiphinisela emuva bafethu silivala kanjalo uhlelo lethu la namhlanje noBongani Shube a director a producer a script writer mengabe mhlawumbe ukhulele emndeni phakama lapho because of this is the child that was raised eScholar Camp sasemndeni esaziwa kakhulu lapha ya emndeni under zonke izima ephila phakathi kwazo uye wakhula waba indoda and decide to be where he is usaphila manje usaphusha nawe wherever you sitting noma ngabe isimo sinjani Bongani mhlawumbe ngaphambi kokuthi uhambeke nje mfowethu usishiye la eshowini yethu siphe ama handles wakho la ungatholakala khona social media if you want people ukuthi bakufollow na mhlawumbe nasema phone number if you don't mind but abantu bayafona nasebusuku unless you don't mind share nje wonke ama contact details wakho mhlawumbe there is someone that can want to revive you entweni esike yaba khona.
Okay, phone number of it is 063 084 6228 ngiyayiphinda 063 084 6228 Facebook Shube Mashihu Shube Mashihu ayikaba fethu ngimdala unyamukwenzi
Yeah
ngimdala and then afethu lapha emndeni Soweto mangabe uyangazi ungibukele uyangithanda thinta lapha like subscribe sibonana futhi.
Yeah. No, siyabonga kakhulu Bongani for coming to the show. Engathi ungakhuthaza nabanye because of abanye asazi noma mhlawumbe basuke besaba ubhekana nabantu noma kusuke kwenzekana abanye siyababiza bangabaze uzwe ukuthi hey kunzima kodwa siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi wena wabala. Siyabonga futhi. Dango. And cut. Sifuna kamnandi kanjalo ke uhlelo lethu la namhlanje sithi abaseyinhlungwini mabaphole sineke sisababona mabalale ngoxolo zihloko izilahlekelwe akwehlanga lungehlanga we signing out.
Umabo Production.